Hello everybody, welcome back to Threads, Knots and Love. In today's video we are going to learn about the 4 basic stitches of crochet. So I'm your host Mitali and I'm doing a series on the absolute basics of crochet for beginners. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so if you want to learn how to start your crochet journey. On your screen you can see these beautiful stitch samples. Now this first one here is a simple chain. The second one is a single crochet. Third is a half double crochet. This is a double crochet and this is a treble crochet. Sounds confusing, right? But it won't be once you learn how to make all of these. Let's keep them aside and let's start our demo for the day. For the purpose of this demo, I've got this beautiful yarn here and I've got a hook of 4.5 mm. We are going to start by making 16 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Okay, so we have our chain here of 16 chain stitches. I'm going to make one extra. That makes it 17 because we are going to start from the 16th stitch only. This is to adjust the height. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to make a single crochet. So to make a single crochet, this is our hook. This is the loop on the hook and it is not counted as the chain. We are going to insert our hook into the second chain from the loop. So first and second chain from the loop. Insert, yarn over and pull through. So now you can see you've got two loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through both together. This gives us our very first single crochet. Let's do it one more time. Insert, yarn over, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both of them together. One more time, insert, yarn over, 2 loops, yarn over, pull through both of them. And one final last time, insert, yarn over and pull through. You've got 2 loops here, yarn over, and so you can see we've got a beautiful series of 4 single crochets here. Now for the demonstration of half double crochets, we are going to yarn over before inserting our hook into this upper loop of the next chain stitch. So yarn over, now insert your hook into the next chain stitch, yarn over and pull back. Now you can see you've got 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, you are going to pull back through all the 3 loops in one go. Okay, let's try this again. Yarn over, insert, yarn over and pull back, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull back all the 3 in one go. Let's do it 2 more times to practice. Yarn over, insert, back, yarn over, pull through all 3. Last time, yarn over, insert and 3 loops, yarn over and pull back all 3. So I hope you can already see the difference in size between a single crochet and a half double crochet. Now we are going to learn how to make a full double crochet. So like this half double crochet, we are going to wrap the yarn around our loop once and insert into the next chain stitch. Now yarn over and pull back. Just like the half double crochet, you've got 3 loops on your hook. Now yarn over, and for making a double crochet you are going to first pull back just through the first 2 loops. Now you've got 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the other 2. You've got your first double crochet on your pattern. Let's try this one more time. Wrap the yarn around your hook, insert, pull, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, yarn over again, pull through the next 2. So here is our second double crochet. 2 more times together just for practice. Here, I hope you are able to understand, and I hope you enjoy watching our tutorials. These are for absolute beginners in crochet, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so. So where were we? We were making double crochets. Now you can see the difference in height between a single crochet, a half double crochet, and these double crochets. I'm now going to demonstrate to you the treble crochets. Now for a treble crochet, you need to wrap the yarn twice around your hook. So we have got the yarn twice around my hook, and we are going to insert in the next chain stitch. Yarn over and pull back, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2, yarn over and pull through the last 2. So you've made your very first treble crochet. Let's try this one more time. 1, 2, 2 times wrap the yarn around your hook, insert into the next chain stitch, yarn over and pull back. Now you see you have got four loops on your hook. So yarn over, pull through first 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2, and yarn over, pull through the last 2. So this is our second treble crochet. Let's try 2 more times. Wrap twice, insert, yarn over, pull back, yarn over first 2, yarn over next 2, yarn over last 2, and one last time. Wrap 2 times, insert, yarn over and pull, yarn over first 2, yarn over next 2, and yarn over the last 2. So you have learned how to make 4 different type of stitches on one chain. I'm going to close this project here, snip it off and tighten. Now you can already see the difference in the tension between the stitches as we go higher, and difference in the width of the stitches as well. So we started with the single crochets, which were smaller in size and pretty tight. Then half double crochets, little bigger, double crochets slightly more big, and the treble crochets, which are the biggest of them all, but they also have larger gaps, lesser tension between them. I hope you like this tutorial, and I hope you will practice at home. I will see you in the next tutorial with some small project to follow along. Thank you so much.